Okay, we have a polynomial, x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. They've graphed it, and they say it has integral zeros. That means they promise that all of these are nice numbers. If one of these looks like it's 1 or 3 or minus 2, then it is. You don't have to worry that this is actually 0.998 and they just drew it close to 1 to mess you up. All the numbers are rounded off, if you will. So, what are the zeros of this polynomial? Well, we have a 0 at negative 2. Because remember, zeros means x-intercepts. We have a 0 at 1, or when x equals 1. And we have a 0 or an x-intercept when x is 3. So what does that mean about the polynomial? Well, if it's got a 0 at negative 2, that means x plus 2 has to be one of its factors. If 1 is one of its zeros or roots, that means x minus 1 is one of its factors. And if 3 is one of its zeros, that means x minus 3 is one of its factors. The signs of these are always reversed. If the root is negative, the factor will have a positive, and vice versa. So the polynomial in factored form is just p of x, or if you write y, no one's going to mind, is x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. And then, if you have a graphing calculator, you can put in x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, don't forget all the parentheses, graph that, and then also graph x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6, and you should find it draws the same exact line twice. The fact that those overlap perfectly means that, yeah, they really are equivalent. This factored form represents the same curve as this expanded form.